So I've been thinking about living and non-living things and how to tell the difference between the two. How do you know if something is living or not living? So I have some living things around here that need things from me, and I'm just gonna try to figure out what they need and make sure I'm giving food and water to the right things. Maybe you can help me out here. So I'm gonna be showing you Zippy today, not just for a Zippy update like we've been doing, but to talk about living and non-living things. And I also have our fish, and I also have this turtle and this cat. Zippy seems to be living. She sure is moving around a lot. In fact, I'm gonna put the screen back over the top here because she's trying to get out. I don't think non-living things would do that. I don't think non-living things behave that way. She's a toy. She could be a toy. So I have this lettuce here, and I'm wondering if I should feed it to Zippy or this turtle. I have this turtle too, and I'm wondering if I should feed my lettuce to the turtle or to Zippy. I've decided to feed the lettuce to Zippy because Zippy is living, and so she needs the food. Living things need food, so Zippy needs food. She's pretty excited to be out here in the living room right now, so I don't think she's gonna go eat her lettuce, but she will eventually. So I have some cat food and water. Trying to figure out who to give it to. Which living thing needs the cat food and the water? Can I feed this cat? Do you think this cat is hungry? Should I feed this cat? Is this cat living? Do you need food? Do you need food, Jade? Does this dog need food? Do you need food? Shilpa, do you want a bone? Do you want a bone? Are you some kind of living thing? What do you want? Living thing? What do you need? Some love? Do you need some love? Look, Zippy needs water. Another way that Zippy gets water is by misting. Sometimes I'll mist her, and sometimes you'll see her drink that way. She may not drink now because she's a little freaked out being in a different spot. She's moving away from the water. So here I want you to focus on the water for a second and think about the water. So water is non-living. It doesn't have needs. It doesn't need food. Even if you see it moving around, like our little bubble filter is making the water move around, that doesn't mean the water is living. Okay, so just because water is moving doesn't mean water is living. So water is not living. It's like these rocks. These rocks are not living. So plants have needs. They need space to grow in and spread out their roots, branches, and leaves. They need sunlight, and nutrients, which they get from the soil. They need water so that they can grow. I have this bunch of maple leaves. This is what it looks like at the bottom. Do you think these maple leaves need food? Do they need nutrients from the soil? Do they need water? Do they need sunlight? And do they need space to grow? Another way we can tell living things from non-living things is that living things have a life cycle. So fish will have baby fish. Hopefully these won't. And bearded dragons will have baby bearded dragons, and they'll grow up to be adults, and they'll have a whole life cycle. Zippy hatched from an egg. So bearded dragons hatch from eggs. like other reptiles. And so she has a life cycle. Do you think this turtle will have a life cycle? Will it have babies? Or this cat? This toy living. What about this car? This car living. Just because things can move doesn't mean they are living. They don't have needs. They don't need food or water. They don't grow and change or have a life cycle.